So today we're talking about a virtual reality training program targeted specifically for the operation of a bridge crane. It's not just a video game, it's actually producing a training experience that adults are understanding and providing that adult learning theory. This project was developed for one of the largest paper and pulp manufacturers and distributors in North America. They were interested in utilizing virtual reality to provide a safe training space for probably over 1,000 different learners or users in their warehouses and distribution centers. We went on site to one of their manufacturing facilities. We captured a lot of different photos, videos, and measurements. We developed the learning objectives and kind of put together the flow chart as a whole. And one of the big differentiators with us at Roundtable is the fact that we bring the technology expertise along with that training and that learning expertise to make sure that it's not just a video game, it's actually producing a training experience that adults are understanding and providing that adult learning theory. We do have it broken down into 4 different sections or modules. The first section is just us giving you a walkthrough to familiarize yourself with the VR controllers and how to actually utilize the experience, getting them comfortable in a VR setting. The second section is more educational, teaching them about the bridge crane unit as a whole, different trolleys, the bridges, the rolls, the spindles, everything that's involved from that standpoint, so they get familiarized with that. The third section is now the actual operation of the machinery itself, so making sure that you're able to move rolls to different machineries and operate the bridge crane safely. And then we bring in some different exceptions. One, what is to happen if the movement causes the roll to fall off the spindle? There are physics that are involved in this experience, so if you move the bridge crane too quickly, there will be that pendulum type of effect where there will be a sway. So how do you slow that down and get a good feel for how to operate and move? The second exception that we covered in this is all around safety and individuals walking in front of the pendulum, potentially putting themselves in harm. So you as the operator are tasked with flashing a flashlight on them to provide awareness. In VR, you can allow the learner to make a mistake and see the repercussions of their actions without causing any harm to the individual or product. It's a phenomenal use case for virtual reality as a whole in the safety spectrum.